Okay, Sprint, it's game on! Hey news friends, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Sprint and their 5G network. Sprint, the fourth largest phone carrier, is predicting that they will have a nationwide 5G network by 2019. They believe they have a unique combination of assets to be able to accomplish this goal faster than at&t, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Sprint CEO Claure is working with Qualcomm to make this happen in the first half of 2019. Claure is known for his bold predictions though. In 2015, he predicted in 2 years they'd have the best network in the nation. It's 2018, and they aren't quite there yet, but they have made leaps and strides since 2015. In contrast, at&t plans on launching 5G in 12 cities this year, and Verizon plans on releasing 5G in 5 markets in the second half of 2018. T-Mobile is a bit behind, and they're not planning to release 5G until 2020. With Sprint's predictions, also comes expected higher cost. Sprint would have to increase their unlimited data plans to $70 to $80 a month for the 5G network. That would bring their plans in line with their competitors. Now, why is 5G so important, you might ask? Well, 5G is touted as having the same amount of power as a home broadband network. Think about what you could do with 100 megabytes per second at your fingertips when you're out and about. YouTube in 4K? No problem. Gaming? No problem. Another very important reason why 5G is being developed so aggressively is the rise of self-driving cars and the auto industry's technology advancements. These cars need that speed to process information and keep you safe. And it doesn't hurt to have 5G to entertain the kids in the back. Or maybe you want to FaceTime in HD with someone from the passenger seat. Technology is always evolving, but it's definitely come a long way. Shoot, I remember when mobile phones looked like bricks. Zach Morris from Saved by the Bell, anyone? Okay, now I'm just dating myself. Anyway, who do you think will win the 5G race? Do you think Sprint has it in them to unseat Verizon at the top? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying I'll see you when I see ya.